Which of the following describes vice? A. Immoral behavior. B. A type of clamp. C. Shrewd and sensible. D. The next in rank. Or E. None of the above. The answer to this question is B. A type of clamp. But how can you arrive at this answer without prior knowledge of the word? The good news is that with questions like these, usually the other definitions are for words that sound similar to the given word. Let's go through the choices for examples. A. Immoral behavior is a vice. Although pronounced the same as our word, we can see that the spelling is different. C. Shrewd and sensible is actually describing wise. D. The next in rank is describing vice, spelled the same as choice A, but this time in the sense of a vice president. Although it's true that none of the above is also offered as a choice, because there's no other suitable explanation for the definition a type of clamp that sounds like our given word, it's reasonable to assume that this is what vice is referring to. Based on this, we can mark B, a type of clamp, as our final answer.